Welcome, today I'm for the new Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to lock SIM card to SIM pin on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the security section. After that, scroll down and tap to advanced settings. Then you'll see here SIM card lock. Just click here once, and now just to lock our SIM card with PIN code we should use this switcher. Just click here once on the switcher and enter PIN code. In my case that will be from 1 to 4. After that, tap here to OK, and that's it. We just successfully locked our SIM card with PIN code. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.